morning, everyone, and I wish you a very happy new year. I hope everybody has celebrated this event and we all are looking for a very fruitful year, this 2023, and I hope everybody receives all the blessings from the Almighty. So let's move and let's see the charts. And as I committed, I had started by posting the charts for the entries since yesterday, and today I shall be giving you this pause support as well. So let's look into the charts for US30. Okay, so here in the US30 chart, and here we see on a monthly level what is happening. So on the monthly side, we see that this is on a this the overall the Dow is on a consolidation form since 2 months, and we are the third month of this. And let's see how it what's its planning for this month. On a weekly, if we see on the weekly also, we are in this consolidation zone from here. It's just consolidation in this range. Now on the daily charts, if you see daily also, since couple of days we are trading in this range, almost 10 to 15 sessions we are in this, in the same range. Now for the day, let's see what the market is up to, and let's see what are the indicators also indicating us, and after that I'll give the trading levels. So currently we see that the markets are in a range, and the MACD is in a comfortable zone, and it's trying to converge to a buy side. RSI is in a comfortable zone, and stochastic also is in a comfortable zone, and the only bearish side we see is in the directional movement, that is the DMI. So we'll have to see how when it converges to a buy side. So on the 4-hour charts, let's see what's the story in the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour charts also, the story is almost the same. It's pretty same. Here also this has converged for a buy side, and except for the DMI, rest of them are almost same. Okay, so on the 1-hour chart as well is trying to converge to a buy side. However, I see some sort. I'm expecting some sort of a retracement after the German cash session opens, because Germany charts I will be telling later, it seems as overbought, and hence some retracements are expected. So looking into all these factors, let's see what are the entry levels for the day. So for the US30 Dow Jones, I'll be entering at 33,180, then target will be 33,230, 260, and 33,380. My long stop loss will be 33,100 in case of an entry at 33,180. Okay, and short entries is between 33,100 and your targets will be 33,30 and 32,980. And if it trades in a bearish mode, we can see further up to 32,800. I would say that's a very strong support, and any stop losses for the day will be 33,210. I would not take a trade between 33,100 and 33,200. I would say 33,180. Okay, 200 I have put on a safer side, though we can make an entry at 33,180. And we have to be very clear that we have to see that this trades in at least about 33,180 for 15 to 20 minutes. Only then we can confirm this as a as is going to take the support. Now for the strong support for this 32,980, and beyond that it will come up to 32,800, I guess. And strong resistance is 33,430, and any strong reverses only after 35,500 for the day. So let's see if we can make this in this month, if we can cross it to 500. Now let's look at the NASDAQ, and apart from that, FMC meet was yesterday, and expected the markets has already factored in all those in the past trading events, so I do not think much of a movement. However, some volatility is expected due to your initial job claims and that data that are supposed to be out today, and who are trading in good levels, for them also there will be a sort of a volatility is expected. so please trade with your strict stop losses. Now apart from this, guys, if you want to join my premium channel, which I give my providing my trading signals one to one at the US cash sessions, and it's only a $50 charge that I'm charging, and which is recoverable in just one trading session itself. So more in, you have to strictly follow the ranges that have been given. Okay, so if you're interested, you can join me and you can support me with this course. Thank you, and let me just look into the NASDAQ charts now. Okay, if we see into the NASDAQ charts, this is the if I hide all of the indicators, see, this is some sort of a what I would say that is on a morning star formation. If I see this candle, this is a morning star sort of formation here. So if you get an entry at 10,700 or 800, I think that will be pretty good. 10,780 to 800, and if you hold it for this month, if it does not break below 10,700, then you can see you can make good money in this. Okay, that's what is seen, because this is in a morning star like formation. Now let's see however what the charts are indicating us. This is on a monthly chart, and if I see on the weekly chart, still this is on a consolidation form, in this just consolidation within this range, that is from 10,000 for let's say 10,680, almost 10,700, or 10,640 to 11,700. This has been consolidating for some while now, for some weeks now. Now let's see on the daily charts what this is. On the daily charts, so I see the daily charts, you see the indicators. The indicators are the MACD is trying to converge for a buy side, or as in a comfortable zone. Stochastic is also oversold, and so hence some bounce is expected. However, the DMI is still on the bearish side, so we'll have to see how this acts for the day. On the 4-hour chart, also the MACD is trying for convergence for the downside, so we'll have to see what happens, and as we trade for the day, and that will bring up some changes in the overall charts. And as we have seen, that Teslas have broken most all of its support levels and is trading very low these days. So NASDAQ is really in a very bad shape comparing to the Dow Jones. And stochastic, let's see, stochastic is also looking downside on a 4-hour chart. Okay, and on a 1-hour chart, let's see, 1-hour chart, this is showing some sort of a upside. That's on a bullish side. RSI is also on the same on the bullish side, and even MACD is trying to converge to a buy side. So looking into all these factors, let's see what the charts are. What are the entry levels for this day? And DMI is still on a sell side on of the hourly indications. Okay, so let's see. So for the NASDAQ, I would make an entry only at 10,970, and I'll have a target of 1120, 1180, and 11160. And long stop buy stop loss will be 10,870, and short entries can be taken at 10,800, and targets can be 10,770 and 10,720. Beyond that, this will fall heavily, so I'm not expecting that. But anyway, these are markets, so let's see what the markets indicates us as we move on. And no trade zone between 10,800 and 10,970. Daily trend is downtrend, monthly also on a downtrend, and first support is 10,800, and any strong resistance for the day is 940 and 1130. So So let's see the DE30 Germany for the day. Okay, so we are on the DE30 Germany, and if you would see, Germany is trading still in I would say, comparing to the other indices, is still trading in a bullish zone or in an upward trend. So let's see, this is the monthly, and if you would see, we can see any sort of a trend reversal if it starts trading beyond 14,800. Okay, on a weekly, let's see now, since 2-3 months it's also in a range. However, let's see on the weekly. On the weekly also, if you would see, this was in a range, but however this is still trading in a better zone compared to the NASDAQ and its other allies like the US30 and all. The volatility is there, but still intact on the uptrend. Now let's see on the daily chart. On daily chart here, I'm expecting some sort of a retracement, as this is forming a as some sort of a, you know, winning star like scenario. So either this has to go and trade beyond 14,600 today, or we can see some sort of a retracement. So I'm expecting some sort of a retracement. Let's see what the indicators are saying. See, MACD is trying to converge on the buy side. However, the stochastic is on the overbought zone, and some retracement is expected. Same is the story with the RSI. Okay, this is also on the, and RSI is still comfortable, I would say, in comparing to the stochastics. So let's see the other time frames. So I just added the DMI here, and if I see the DMI is on a bullish side. Only the concern here is the overbought scenario for the stochastics. So let's see what it turns around in other time frames. On the forward chart, if you would see, MACD is comfortable, but stochastic is on an overbought zone. RSI also on an overbought zone, and the DMI is comfortable. And on a 1 hour side, see, 1 hour, the MACD is trying to converge for a sell side now. This is what I said, that since this stochastic is on a sell side, on a overbought area, so this is trying to, is trying to converge. However, on a higher time frame, this is on a buy side, so we can take an entry at the support levels for this. Okay, and for RSI, let's say RSI is on a comfortable side, and DMI is also a comfortable side. So looking into all these factors, let's see what can be the entry levels for the day. Okay, so for the Germany, what I would do is I will make an entry only above 14,590. Rather, I would suggest you to take an entry above 14,600 for a safer side, and if it has to trade, for at least 30 minutes. But I feel that on the initial side you will see some retracements, and wherein you can get some good entries. So you have to be work. You have to look into the indicators and see whether you can make an entry, and also maybe the first hour or the first 2 hours of the trading can be on the bearish side, and later on it can try to come to its original trend, which is on the uptrend. So targets, if in case you are making an entry, says 14,590, and for the entry for 14,090 is 14,625 and 680, and stop losses will be 14,490, and you can take a short entry at 14,490, but the targets are short, 14,460 and 14,380 and plus zone. Short stop loss is 14,530. And for any no trade zone, you can always ask me. Okay, I will be in touch with you. If I would rather be interested to connect with each of you guys. Yeah, and on the trend, daily trend is an uptrend, and monthly is on a consolidation. Strong support is 14,350, and strong resistance is 14,590 for the day. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and being part of this family. I encourage you to please like, subscribe and comment, and also please share so that I get some more viewers, and this helps me to continue my job. Yeah, also I would encourage you to join my premium channel, which is very affordable, and with one trading itself you can recover your investments. Yeah, thank you, and stay blessed. Have a good day.